Hello, hi. My name is Siti Nurshafika binti Ahmad Sadri, and my ID number is 2021616902.
Hello, hi. My name is Nurunabila Atika Johari, and my ID 2021884284.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Hadif bin Effendi. My student ID is 2021482638.
Hello, hi. My name is Bulbina Irma Amira binti Muhammad Fauzi. My student ID is 2021628944.
Hello, hi. My name is Chelsea Ampana Arin. My student ID is 2021897308. Hello everyone. First of all, we need to go to Google and type Windows, then ISO, then click on this one. Scroll down until you see download tool now. Click on download tool now. Wait until it fully download. Click on it. Click no yes. Read all the terms and click accept. Click on create installation media. Next, use ISO file. Next, save it. So we need to wait until until they download the Windows 10 until they done. Oi, Kak ya. Pasnya X jalan toh. X jalan toh. Macam ni mau stop. sini download download. Kat download apa jadi? Saya dapat apa? Dalam video pun ketuk stop dia aja. Macam ni mau stop ni. Stop apa? Stop record.
After we download Windows, we download VMware Workstation Player. Click this, then try Workstation 17 Player for Windows. Then click Download Now. So this is the progress downloading of VMware. Thank you.
For Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC still setting things up.
So I'll show you the most basic icon in desktop. First, you need to go to File Explorer. From here, we can see our files and folders. If you go here, also see our files and folders and also our devices storage. Next, I'm going to show you the recycle bin that has been placed on the top left corner of my desktop screen. Okay, from here, the recycle bin actually acts as holding bay for your deleted items such as files and folders and even shortcuts. When you delete files or folder, it is not directly disappear or deleted permanently from your laptop. Instead, all the Windows, at least Windows 7, places the deleted items into the recycle bin with the recycle bin. We move to the next one, which is network. First, you need to go to File Explorer. Go on network. Okay, network is a collection of computers, servers, mainframe network devices, peripherals, or other devices connected to allow data sharing. For instance, network is the internet which connects with millions of people all over the world. Next, let's proceed to the document. A computer document is a file created by a software application. Meanwhile, the term document originally referred to word processor document. It is now used to refer to all types of save file. Furthermore, documents contain text, images, audio, video, and other types of data. And last one is I'll show you about contraband. You can find it in Windows setting. First, you need to search setting. Okay, go to setting, and then in search setting, we search for control panel. Okay, here it is. The control panel works as a component of Microsoft Windows that provides the ability to view and change system settings. It consists of a set of applets that include adding or removing hardware and software, uh, controlling users' accounts, changing accessibility options, and exactly networking settings. Next, now I'll show you how to change wallpaper in your desktop. First, you need to go to File Explorer and then go to download where your picture is, and then click the picture you want to edit in your desktop as your wallpaper, and then go here and then click set as and back uh, set as background. Okay, close. Here it is. That's all. So I'll show you how to install device drivers in your Windows 10. First, you need to click on Start menu and then search for Device Manager. When Device Manager opens, expand the branch for the device you want to install. Right click on the what you want to install and then update driver. Browse my computer. Click OK and then go to next. Okay. And with that, after completing the step above, your device driver is successfully updated. You may need to restart your PC for any changes to take effect fully. You also can search for updated drivers on Windows Update from here. It's done.
So this is to create and format a new partition. Okay. First of all, click Windows, Start button Windows. Then in the search bar here, you can select a control panel here. Click it, and then click the System and Security, and search for Administrative Tools, and then we click the Computer Management twice. In the left pane, under Storage, select this management right. As you can see here, there is no this one, so I can just continue saying my knowledge. The fourth step in the new simple volume wizard, select next. 5. Enter the size of the volume you want to create in megabytes, MB, or accept the maximum default size and then select next. 6. Accept the default drive letter or choose a different drive letter to identify the partition and then select next. In the 7. In the format partition, dialog box, do one of the following. 8. If you don't want to format the volume right now, select do not format this volume and then select next. Second, to format the volume with the default settings, select next. Lastly, number 9, review your choice and then select finish.
So here I am going to show you how to set up virtual memory. First, search a control panel and then click System and Security. Click System. This is your computer system. Under Related Settings, click Advanced System Settings. Click Settings. It will give you an option, but just for me, I will just let Windows choose what is best for my computer. Click Apply. Click Advanced. Make sure you already check your virtual memory. Click Change and it is done. So next I will demonstrate how to create user account. So first we go to search bar and search setting. After that we click on account and then we go to click on family and other users. Then we choose to add someone else to this PC. So if we don't have the information, we can choose I don't have this person sign information. Then I will give some examples. So I will choose add a user without a Microsoft account. So just put the username. So this will be your extra information if you it will help you in case you forget your password. So this is the account that I had created. Go to your computer management. On the right panel, select local users and group, and then choose users to see all the users you have and groups. To create group, click left click to choose new group. Insert your group name, and the description. And then you can add a new user. Type your username. Type your username here. And then check username. If you don't know the user, click Advanced. Click Find Now. You can find all user you need in search result. Click OK. And then create. Done. So next I will demonstrate how to share the folder. So first, you click on the File Explorer. Click on the document. Right click on the document. Click on the properties. Then you can choose the sharing. Click on the advanced sharing. Click on the share this folder and choose the permissions. Click on everyone. Then you can click OK. So you already share the folder to everyone. So next, I will demonstrate how to run the task manager. First, go on the search bar and search task manager. So it will appear the details of the processes. This is the processes. Next is the performance. This is CPU, memory, disk, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, GPU, and GPU1. Next is the app history.
Next, startup. Next is the users and the details. And the last one is the services.
So here I am going to show you how to set up virtual device manager. First of all, search device manager, and then click system and security. Click system. This is your device manager. This is your the function is to allow users to check and control under related settings in your computer advanced system settings. So as you can see, this is your it will give you an option, but just for me, I will just let Windows choose what is best for my computer. Click apply. Okay, here I will show you how to run click advanced. Make sure you already check your search virtual memory. Click change, so as you can see, done.